Hi everyone, I just received my Predicta 4 P-Cube from the mail today. Let's open the blue suitcase and to see what's inside. As I open the Predicta 4 suitcase, I notice there are 5 items in the box. First and foremost, there's the P-Cube, which I'm going to show you guys. And when I look at the P-Cube, I notice a couple of elements and aspects to this P-Cube. On the very right side of the logo, I see that there is a charger port. And on the other end of the P-Cube, I see that there is a reset button. And also, along with the logo, I also noticed that the XYZ direction of the sensor is also marked on the P-Cube. And when I look at the bottom of the P-Cube, I see that there is a threaded hole. And this is where either a screw with a magnet or a stud can be attached to the P-Cube, which is going to help me attach this P-Cube to my machinery. As I rotate my P-Cube to the other side, I notice an important piece of information attached to this label, and that is the QR code. Based on the information that I've received, in order to register my P-Cubes on the Predicta 4 dashboard, I'm going to need this QR code as well as a QVV, which is a 3-digit verification code, which is also delivered to me. Beside the first item, we have item number 2, which is a very strong magnet. And this magnet is the magnet that I'm going to use for my P-Cube in order to attach it to any machinery that I have in my site. And item number 3 consists of a stud as well as a magnet screw. As I open this box, you will see a screw which can be used along with the magnet to connect with the magnet, and a threaded stud which can be attached to the bottom of the P-Cube. Item number 4 on my list is a 20 watts fast charger plug, along with item number 5, which is a charging cable. And this charging cable, on one end of the charging cable, I have a USB-C, which is going to be attached directly to the charging plug, and the charging connector, which is going to be connected to the P-Cube directly if I need to charge my P-Cube. In the next segment of this video, I will briefly demonstrate how my P-Cube is working on the amazing software and dashboard of Predicta 4. Now that I have registered with Predicta 4 and created my account, I'm going to show how amazing and detailed this vibration system is. After you log into your account and enter your machine information under Management Machines, you're then going to register your P-Cubes under the Devices page, as I have done here. And once you finish this process, the next thing that you need to do is to download the Android application for the Predicta 4 P-Cubes from the Google Play Store, and in order to connect your P-Cubes to your Wi-Fi system, you need to run the Android setup app. And this process will take only about a couple of minutes. And after I finish this process, my P-Cubes have started collecting data about my machines, and every machine that needs my immediate attention is shown at the top, and I can open the graphs to inspect for any potential faults. For example, here I have the battery graphs for my compressor, battery graph for the P-Cube here, as well as the temperature graph of the surrounding. And I also, most importantly, I have the vibration graph for this compressor. And as you can see here, these vibration trend graphs are very detailed, and I would be able to visually inspect if there are any points of data that requires my attention. And we also have another section on our vibration graphs, which is called detailed vibration analysis. We are able to view vibration data for a specific day, and this tool contains many features such as different types of cursors in the FFT format, such as harmonic and sideband cursors, and we could also
have access to many other amazing analytical tools and graphs such as FFT plots as well as time waveform graphs. Lastly, Predictor 4 has also provided me with a fantastic OneView platform that is very user-friendly and has been a great addition to our control room in the factory. And in this way, we are able to visually detect if something is wrong with our machines. And as you can see, I have access to all important analytical graphs through the OneView platform as well. As I can show you guys, here is our temperature graphs, as well as the battery graph. And we are also able to see vibration graphs here.